Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Bulls to the Wall Trading. This video is going to be my recap for today, October 11th, 2017. As always, I am not a financial planner or advisor. Please do your own research, and nobody is sponsoring me to use their software. So it's just a little bit past 10 a.m. here on the East Coast. And the reason I make these videos so early is because I only trade until 10 a.m. And I made this one specifically this early because I wanted to show you guys that you can make money within the first half hour. As I'm going to show you, I got into 2 trades and I make money and I was out before 10 a.m. So it is possible. You don't have to sit here and watch these charts all day long. You know, within a couple of minutes you can make your profits and you can get out. So let's go over the stocks that I had an eye on last night, and let's see what they did. So FSM is one that I had on my keep an eye watch list. We drew our line here at $4.88. Never made it up. Low volume, not interested. EKSO, same thing. The market's been open for about half an hour and it only has just a little bit over 100,000 in volume. Not doing much. Has a lot to cover. Not interested. LINU. Same thing. We drew our line at $2.59. At the open it kind of spiked up, but it was never really close, so I never really kept an eye on this one because it had low volume in the pre-market. So these 3 I didn't even bother to look at because there was low volume before the market opened, so I didn't even bother. MBOT is the next one. We drew our line at $1.52, and the reason I liked it yesterday is because this little spike that it had in the post market, but as you can tell it spiked up and then it just came down. So look at the volume, no real volume, so not interested in that one. This one I didn't even look at in the morning, again because it had low volume. IDRA, this one it did go up, but I wasn't looking at it, again because in the morning it didn't have enough volume for me to even bother looking at it. But this just goes to show you that stocks can move up with low volume. It's your call if you decide to buy into a stock that has low volume. I don't like doing it, but as you can tell the potential is still there. DMPI is another one. We drew our line at $1.04. It spiked up and then came crashing down. Not a lot of volume, so not really interested. ROKA is the one that had a huge day yesterday. We wanted to see that momentum keep going, but as you can tell at the market open it kind of went down and it's not going back up. So it hasn't even cracked 1 million, so again I wasn't even checking on that one in the morning. Here's another example of one that has relatively low volume, but it still made a move up. So we drew our line right here at $1.56. At the open it just kind of consolidated, went sideways, but once it broke through it made a huge run to highs of 225. So this one was another one that you could have gotten in with low volume. Again, I don't like that style of trading. I like to trade with high volume. So in the morning I didn't even look at this chart because it had low volume before the market opened. But again, you can see it making the move that we wanted it to. CLSN, this is one that I was watching in the morning. This one was one of the ones that I played because of volume. Look at all this volume in the pre-market. So that's what I like to see, a lot of volume in the pre-market. So we drew our line right here at $4.84. In the pre-market it reached a high of $5.24, $5.23, $5.24, somewhere around there. At the market open it went down and then it slowly started coming back up, and as soon as it broke that line it made this big jump. So I got in right here at $5.24. and I got in somewhere around here for a quick little profit. So this was one trade that went my way and did everything that I wanted it to do. CACI, this one is another one. I didn't keep track of this one because, again, it wasn't really doing much in the pre-market. But as soon as the market opened, it just went crazy. And I had this one on my watch list last night. So if you watch my watch list, you would see that I had this one on there as potential. But since it didn't do anything in the pre-market, you could see it's flat. I didn't even bother to look at it. But as soon as the market opened, it just took off. So if you identify potential, see it through. I'm not too mad about this one because I had identified 2 other stocks that had potential and I ended up winning. But as you can tell, the potential's there. It did what we wanted it to do, and it just had an amazing run. You could have gotten in at about $2.79 and rode this wave up to $4.84, or you could have gotten anywhere you feel comfortable with making a quick profit. MNKD is the next one that we had. We drew our line at $6.96. We wanted this momentum that it had yesterday to carry over to this morning, but it never really worked out. It does have a lot of volume, but it's going the opposite way. So I was looking at this one hoping that it would move back up because it did have a lot of movement in the post in the pre-market, but it never started moving back up, so I kind of just discarded it. And the 2 that I had on my morning scanner were IDXG. You can tell right here why I liked it, because it wasn't doing anything, and then in the pre-market it shot up to $2. And if you've been watching my videos, you guys know that every whole dollar amount, $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, and so on, is a big resistance point. So it came up to $2 and it got rejected, and after that it just kind of came down, never recovered. So I was looking at this one, but as you can tell, it never really did what I wanted it to do. RGSE is the other one that I had, and this is the other one that I invested in and made a quick little profit. So as you can tell, same thing as IDXG. This one moved up in the pre-market, and I drew my line at the highest point of the pre-market, which is $2.59. Actually, no, I'm sorry. It was over here. I just didn't get a chance to draw the line because it was moving so fast. So initially I drew my line right here, which was $2.59, and then it moved up to $2.65. So this is a real line right here. So when the market opened, it broke that. I got in here at $2.65. and I sold somewhere around $2.75, so 10 cents a share. So again, a quick little profit, all within what, a minute, maybe less than a minute. So with those two stocks, RGSE and CLSN, within 5 minutes of the market open, you could have made a quick little profit, and your day would have been over by 10 a.m. Like if you're the type of trader like me, which likes to trade early in the morning and be done relatively early. So just wanted to show you guys this recap video. Just wanted to show you guys the potential. It is there. As always, do your own research, do your own due diligence. Please support my channel if you like it. Thumbs up, comment. If you have any questions, subscribe, spread the word. Ask me anything you want. I'm here for you guys. I hope if you've been watching my watch list that maybe you guys got in on this action, because we had a couple of them that were really, really good. If you didn't, you live to trade another day. Tomorrow's a new day. Don't worry about it. Be on the lookout for my watch list later tonight. And that's about it, guys. Have a great rest of your Wednesday, and check back later. Have a good one.